Hello and welcome to Technical Shubham. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a program for unit converter that is kilo tons to kilogram. For this, we have to open our Python code editor that is VS Code. Just click on it. I have already created a new file whose name is test4.py and name it unit converter. And after that we have to write our code. Enter it. In this we have to define a tons variable. We have input. We want to input the value of tons from user, means float type float input. Enter tons. Enter tons. Tons. Okay. This statement will follow. Enter the tons from users. Next variable we have to define is quintals. Quintals means in how many tons, what amount of quintals are present. So we have to define tons into 10. As we know that 1 ton is also 10 quintal, so we have to multiply it by 10. After that, kgs, we have to define a variable that is kgs. In this kgs variable, we have to put quintals into 100. Okay, after that we are going to print the values. So print tons comma tons. We have to copy it as a statement and paste it over here. Again paste it over here. After that we have to do changes in seventh line, that is quintals quintals is equals to quintals. After that we have to kilograms. Here we have to put kgs. Okay. That this is our code for unit converter. User will give the input for tons. This code automatically convert the tons into quintals kg. Okay, let's check it out. Enter tons. Then we can put 45 tons. As you can see here, in 45 tons, there is 45 tons. In 45 tons, there are 450 quintals. In 45 tons, We have 4,000, sorry, 45,000 kilograms. I hope you will get it. Thank you.